All right, we've sent the grades over with the sync grades. Use that recycling button over in the grade book. Check to make sure everything came across well. And now it's time to look back in Campus. So Campus comes up. I kind of got this hidden a little bit here, but Campus comes up and I don't see the assignment in here yet. That's because if I look right here, it says uncategorized assignment. So from Schoology, it can send it back, but it doesn't know the category and it doesn't know the grading task. So categories and grading tasks have to come in to category or uncategorized assignments. So you can bring a bunch back in here all at the same time. I can click semester grade, and then this one was formative because it was formative over there. Hit the check mark here and hit fill selected, and it fills them all down. You can turn them on individually too as well and hit save all. Done. One assignment has been aligned. Hit OK and hit close. And here is my sample assignment. Notice it puts in the abbreviation, it puts in the category, puts in the semester, gives you all that information. So I have all that information comes in. The assigned date is grayed out. You can't change it. If you want to change a due date, you need to change it in Schoology and send it back. Everything else is pretty good. You don't want to touch anything in Campus. You want to change stuff in Schoology and bring it back to Campus. The only thing you could touch is the category because it doesn't know what to do there. Notice though, instructions for students, it brought in all of my information from over in my assignment. It automatically brought it over here. So anything you put in for directions will come over here. It's kind of nice that way. As far as grading goes, any comments you put in Schoology will come over in the comments column as well. So that's how I categorize assignments in Campus to get them to start calculating. So again, we brought them from Schoology, brought them over here, and then we had to just go over and do categorize assignments.